You see the door yet?
No, I'll come back there just a minute.
Look at that, guys. If you look closely, it's like 5 foot out.
The car is just driving through. We gotta wait to
That
record this
broke.
till somebody comes driving down through it. Let me
Yeah.
get that splash.
He's running like, yikes. Yeah.
Either get the car.
So like gonna hide in the corner. Oh,
Oh, I missed it.
Either zoom out.
look at him, they're gonna pet it.
How's that treating you, sir? How's the weather treating you? You want to do the same thing tomorrow? Okay. I've been riding around the town.
I think I just waited her out in here. I wouldn't look at that car.
Oh, I caught that on video
Andrew,
too.
there's a pickup coming. Watch it. Oh, look at that pickup.
Damn, that's a lot of rain.
Mom, look at the Arby's gutters. They're like pushing out water.
He's like, nah, I don't think so. I don't think I'll go get the car right now.
Forget the car. Oh, there's a train coming. Look it.
Mom, there's a train.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna go check out the back.
Dude, I'm gonna catch this train coming. I'm gonna be like, look at the train, guys.
Instead of look at this dude.
Look at this train. Oh, that's good. I once saw a jacked semi truck back there by that building. Yeah, he jacked his
Andrew,
truck.
watch this car.
Wow, Matthew, so
It was
fascinating.
supposed to come in the other lane.
No, it wasn't. Shut up.
Where's this train at? I've been riding down these mountains, but can't fall down beside mine.
Dude, check out that though.
Get the truck.
Oh, oh my gosh, guys.
That looks so
Check
fun.
that out. Oh my gosh, I am waiting for this train to come. I don't even think it's ever gonna come. This is crazy. This has gotta be at least like 4 inches or something.